we have the data overview. We're given the data from the store, and as a data analyst, our work is to analyze this data to give them insight on how their customer is behaving, analyze their customers, put them into 3 different groups. The one that is champion, the one that is loyalist, and the one that is at risk. So I indexed, like I extracted a smaller data frame from a big data frame using the customer ID, order date, and sales. These are the most important information for me to generate my RFM score. So I index them out of the big data frame to have a table, and I save that as order sales. So using that order sales data frame, I check the shape again, I check the uniqueness, and then I need to create a function for my recency, and then create a function for my frequency, create a function for my monetary value. All that was done, and I generate my recencies column, frequency column, and then my monetary column. From this monetary column and frequency column, I had to break them. I had to group them into like, I had to score them. So scoring them quartile to score them using PD, Q cohort. Then I score my monetary first, and I scored using quartile means I'm grouping them into 4 groups. So I have group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. So monetary value, my highest number of grouping, like group 4, they are the ones with the highest value. That's under monetary scoring. So, and my F score too, the highest number carries the highest value. That's the highest frequency. Then for my R score, I normally recency will mean that the ones with the highest number under recency means they didn't shop recently. So I have to make it I have to reverse the case. So in doing that, I decide to label the highest score, highest number under my recency to have the lowest score. So, and now you see the highest, the recency scale, the recency is like here, recency is 4, and then my recency score is 4. So I reversed my label. Instead of 1 to 4, I made it 4 to 1. So I got all that, and I decided to generate my RFM score. The store put value on these factors differently. I think they will prefer higher frequency. They will prefer to use frequency score and the monetary score to value their customer more than their recency. So 0.4 was given to that. And then I use this line of code to generate my RFM score, adding each of the weights, multiplying each of the weights with the score, and adding it together to have my RFM score. From my RFM score, I generate a value segment. Value segment is just like grouping my RFM score into different groups as well, using the P cohort. So I have group 1, group 2, group 3, based on the number of the RFM score.